Okay, I'm just making a quick video here. I'm going to show you what it's like to start a truck with a supercapacitor, and that's the battery disconnected on this side. That's the battery disconnected on the other side, and that's the supercapacitor that we're hooked up to. So let's see if this thing fires up with just the supercapacitor alone. See if I can get this thing set up just right so it doesn't fall in the engine bay when this thing starts. Alright, let's give it a go. And would you look at that? Nothing but a supercapacitor that started this truck. And just to verify, battery is disconnected. I just disconnected the ground on this side because I'm going to hook the batteries back up. But I bought this for a car and I'm going to put it in the car, but I wanted to prove a point that this thing could start the biggest engine that I have. And it did. Okay, so this is what I bought this battery for, or this supercapacitor for, was to replace the battery because it doesn't weigh hardly anything compared to a car battery, and I bought it initially for this Supra. So let's just try it out now on the Supra. I think it'll work just fine. It started my Cummins no problem. Let's just check this out. So if you're thinking about replacing your car battery with a supercapacitor, it works, and you don't even need a battery, just a supercap. It'll work. I got these supercaps off of is it Alibaba or Ali? No, it was AliExpress. That's where I got it from, and they cost me about I think it was about 160 to 180 bucks shipped or something like that. Totally worth it. I'm going to put one in my TDI in the winter too, because the battery doesn't start it very good when it's really cold outside, and I think a supercapacitor would do a much better job. Okay, so I'm going to give you a weight difference here on this thing. Here's the supercap. It's so light it won't even read it. Let's see. There it is. Oh, 7.8 pounds. Okay, now let's weigh the car battery. Car battery, 34.6 pounds. If you like my DIY content, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.